Well, it is 12:36 in the afternoon right now. We kind of woke up this morning planning to get out in the fields and start cutting early today, but the rain chances have been high all day, so everyone was kind of skeptical on going out to the field if it's just going to rain. So we kind of held off for a little bit, and it is now 12:30, and the storm is out west of us, but it's going so slow that I don't think it'll ever reach us. That being said, we are going to head out to the field today. I don't believe that we're all going to be cutting together, if that makes sense. So the farmers' 4 combines are going out another direction, and then we're going to be heading out north. But Dad is hooked on to the header trailer, and Tessa is currently trying to get hooked on to my header trailer. And then we're going to head out to the fields.
Put them knife banks in.
Well, so far the moisture is kind of all over the place. My average is 13.8, but it's anywhere from 10 moisture all the way up to 17. And after I get done dumping here, I'll show you all kind of the yield map on what I'm talking about. I don't know if one side of the field got more snow than the other, which could be a possibility, and it kind of sat, wetter all season. But I'll show y'all here in a second. So as you can see, it's kind of diagonally through the field on what is green and what is, I guess, ready. So what you're kind of looking like on the map, obviously the greener the color is, the more wetter the grain is, and the more yellow or red it is drier. So there's obviously a line that goes like diagonally through the field, and kind of the northwest half is way wetter than the southeast half. So that being said, we're just gonna cut 1 truckload and see what the farmer says about it. But Cody has a truckload, and he's gonna go dump that onto Dad or Tafari, and then we'll see what's next. Also, you can see the rain back off. I don't know what direction that is. That would be north, so it's looking pretty rainy out here. underestimated the hill that we're on. Combine says we're 93%. It thinks we're 93% full on the right side, not the left side, so it's kind of sprinkling a little bit. But instead of turning around and making it worse, Mom's just gonna cut up next to me, and then I'm just gonna dump on Cody. Cody's laughing at me. You see, my plan was to make it to this corner and then cut out a spot and dump, but I guess gravity said otherwise. See, this is exactly why bringing your girlfriend on harvest is the best. Because whenever there's tin or some sort of object out in the field, I don't have to get out of the driver's seat. No, evidently they had a bad windstorm or something, because there's tin all over the field. The camera does absolutely no justice to like the landscape, but that's super pretty. You got like rolling hills, hay bales, windmills. You got everything out here. Bathroom break and stretch our legs break. Dibs, he's been cooped up in the camper for several days as it's raining. Now he's been cooped up in the cab all day. So he's having a blast right now. Look how beautiful this is. The camera does absolutely no justice to that. That's insane. You even got Tessa taking pictures. That's how you know it's pretty. Cody's on his way. All right, let's go, Dibs. Dibs, get a picture. You gotta tell him like 3 times before he does it. I don't know if you can see that far away, but Cody and Mom both turned on their lights, so that means Tessa wins the light game.
Woo! I don't lose.
Look at all the dirt on Mom's lights reflecting. That looks so cool. Anyways, we survived day 2 of the chaos. I don't know when we're gonna start, you know, joining back up with all the other combines, but I don't know if this is a one field thing or like a couple day thing. I have no idea.
Perks of taking the beekeeper's kid
Yeah.
in the combine. You get like a gallon of honey.
So the kid that you are watching in the drone footage I was riding with Mom is the beekeeper's son, and he dropped off a lot of honey. I guess that's perks of letting people ride in the combine.
That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If I don't see you around, I'll see you square.